How you doing? It's Hester 781. So this is going to be the first official on the channel attempt at a tool restoration. This is an old Billings. I started to. I already took the center pin out. It didn't fight me much. So yeah. This is a old Billings pipe wrench. You can see the tarnish. Yeah, 9-inch. I picked it up at a yard sale. It was 50 cents. And I don't know if you guys watch many tool restoration videos, but I follow a few. One of my favorites is Scout Crafter, and he could take these wrenches places I don't know if I could ever reach. But yeah, I've never really tried it to the extent that he does it. He'll polish it out and paint it in nice and professional. Alright, so we'll start off with the bench grinder and take off some of the heavier stuff. We'll see how it comes out. Alright, back from the wire brush. It actually came out really nice. You can read all the lettering in there. It's a 9-inch model. Couldn't really see that before. Or maybe you could. Don't see much damage. There's a little, I don't know if it'll even show up on the camera. There's a little nick in the thread right there. Like that was where they really bore down on something at one point, but it's not going to affect it. The knurling screw, that came out great. These always clean up nice. I got to clean out the inside. There's a little grunge in there. Like I said, the screw came out fine. No issues. This piece, however, you can even see right there, it is a little not so straight. It's even got a little crack. We're not going to be able to really do anything about that. I'm not going to bother welding it. The back here, someone I think used it as a hammer at some point. It's got a little split and it's a little mushroomed out. Again, can't really do too much. It almost has a hole, like it's like really wedged out because somebody hit it so much. So I'm gonna try to give it a couple taps with the hammer. I do have a bench press, but it's not here yet, and oh well, got to work with what we got. So next I'll set up the belt sander, and we'll see you there. Alright, I got the belt sander all set up. I got an 80 grit belt on. This is just a regular 1" by 30 belt sander. I picked this up used. I think I paid $10 for it. I'm going to start doing some sanding. I know there's a way to speed it up so I'm not just boring you with content. If I can figure out how to do that, you're about to watch a sped up version of sanding. If not, I'm sorry, and we'll talk after the sanding's done. Alright. One quick thing I wanted to point out when I'm doing these restorations, one of the things I'm trying to get rid of is you can see there's forge marks in it where it was from where it was cast. It's like a flat edge, and then you see the little break there and little break there. When I take them down, I'm taking them down to a perfectly smooth surface. I've already done most of the back here. There's a lot of deep pitting in the very end of the handle. I think again someone used it to hit things with. It's not really focusing. Yeah, you can see there. So I'm going to grind that down. You'll see how far I can take it without going too far, but just want to let you know that that's what we're doing when we're sanding it down, is sanding out all the imperfections so that it will take a buff and hopefully come to somewhat of a shine. You know, this might feel like only seconds to you guys because, well, it is, but I've been out here for quite some time now, and the reason being is to get it looking like this, you know, which is, this isn't even done, this is just, you know, 50 grit sandpaper finish. This is just what it's, you know, I haven't finished this side. There's some really deep pitting in here, and I'm hoping it shows up on camera. But to get all the way down, you know, you really have to work at it. That's a good shot. And it's just patience, and take your time, and that's what this is. It's a hobby. You know, it's nothing, no right or wrong way. I was able to get it pretty straight, and I did give it a whack, and I got it as close as I want to get it. That is the face of a dog who is tired of hearing the belt sander. Sorry, Bo. Well, this is as far as I'm going to take it on the belt sander. It's coming out nice. It's down to, I think, 120 grit is as far as I went. Got most of the scratches and scuffs out. I'm not going to go too much deeper. This piece took a while, but I got just about all of it out. Yeah, so I'm going to take it over to the buffer now and see if I can get a nice shine on it and see what happens. Alright, get ready for it. The finished product. All polished out and everything. I tell you, it is very, very smooth. This was a very satisfying first attempt at tool restoration, and I'm happy with it. I mean, it's not exactly a chrome finish, but I kind of wanted that satin, would you call it a satin? You know, like brushed stainless, all in one direction. Anyway, I haven't gotten so bold as to paint, put any sort of paint or markings in it, but that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.